Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Loginate, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to use image to PDF app. So first of all, launch image to PDF application on your mobile devices. Now over here you'll see various options. Tap on image to PDF. Now from your gallery, choose any image you wish to. I'm going to choose one image. And then tap on Import option at the bottom right. From here, choose any of the category you wish to. Then tap on the option of Done. Then tap on OK. You can also crop, add doodle, apply filters, add text, and others. Then tap on the option of Convert to PDF. Now choose the options over here according to your preferences. Then tap on Convert. Now you can simply tap on the option of Open. With that, you will successfully be able to use image to PDF app. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.